Alright, so I've built hundreds of Airbnbs, but I've never done anything this crazy before.
So she showed us an empty house in the Hollywood Hills, and because it's in the Hollywood Hills and Hollywood sign is right in the backyard, we were like, this place has to be Hollywood heaven. That was the vision that came to us.
When you walk through this home, we want you to feel like you are in a Hollywood theater. You instantly walk into a theater lobby. We have the classic theater red going on, and all over we have movie posters of all the famous Hollywood hits. And in each bedroom, we themed it after an iconic movie with a cult following.
We got Star Wars, Avengers, Alice in Wonderland, Willy Wonka, and what is the fourth one? I keep forgetting the fourth one.
It's Friday, and we're driving to the house. Okay, my typical Airbnb, I can get it done in 48 hours from completely a blank canvas with no furniture, unboxing everything and putting it all together. Give me 48 hours or 2 days, I'll knock it all out. I'm anticipating this place to be done Sunday, at the latest though, Tuesday. Okay, so right away, you know, like my Airbnb brain is ticking and I'm like, okay, how much are we gonna disturb the neighborhood if there is, you know, a party of some sort? But we have hedges, so that's nice. It's gonna be hard for the neighbors to see us. And we have no back neighbors, which is amazing.
So for today, what we're doing with Hollywood Heaven is putting on all the paint on the walls. So this specific wall here, we're gonna do like a striped red design, and basically this main area is gonna be the main theater lobby, so it feels like you're entering a movie theater. We need to do a Home Depot run where we gather the paint supplies, the ladders, tools, and grass turf. But the grass turf is very, very heavy, and how do we transport this all the way up the hills? It's 12 foot long and it sticks out of the car. So we had to tie it down and hope for the best. Our beautiful grass is getting transported to Hollywood Heaven, and we're following behind, so if it hits anyone, it will hit us.
We have a ton of help today. A lot of friends and family are here to pitch in to make this thing work. We have TaskRabbit guys, Andrew who brought his cousin here to help, Alex and Leslie capturing every moment that's happening here. I brought my girlfriend Amber. She's, by the way, a wild card. No idea, she's so amazing at putting up wallpaper. With all this help, hopefully we can finish the property on time.
So we really love putting turf in the home because it gives you the feeling of being outside. And the Alice in Wonderland room has turf on the ground. And also the Tea Party parlor has turf on the ground. And also outside in the backyard it has turf on the ground. And the turf also climbs up the walls of the backyard. I think the turf makes the mood feel very natural. It's like you get to be outside, but you're inside. It's like, you know, as humans, we are animals and we should be outside and in nature, so it brings nature to us.
Alright guys, it's been a hell of a night. We've been through hell and back setting up this heaven in honor of Hollywood Heaven. We are sacrificing our lovely Karen. Okay, one. It feels like art, you know? It doesn't even feel like a wall. It's just a photograph, but seeing it blown up and this huge and just like in front of you inside of a space that you're in changes the way you feel. Like it feels incredible. Thank you everybody for making it. It's so incredible. All this team effort, watching this place transform. Like I just can't believe what it was earlier today and how magical it already feels. And it's only been paint and one wallpaper. That wallpaper stunned me. But anyways, please enjoy the food. It's amazing. Thank you, everybody.